Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to show you an error with this new software. This is the Intuit TurboTax Home and Business Federal and State Returns for tax year 2023. So, after installing this CD, it's supposed to run the setup, and unfortunately, there is error messages. So either the CD or the programming is defective. This is the 2023 edition. You have to get this edition every year. Now, on this computer, I use the CD-ROM. I have previous editions of TurboTax Home and Business. Here is the TurboTax Home and Business. Setup. There's the first error. Setup.exe system error. The code execution cannot proceed because MSVCP140.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. The second message is the code execution cannot proceed because VCRUNTIME140.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix the problem. So, in TurboTax, there is an installer, which I'm going to run. And this, too, is going to cause a problem. So there's a bug in this.